So here I am. I was gonna go into the closet here, find a little bit stuff, try to clean up this terribly messy place. And then, to my somewhat morbid surprise, I see this bird here stuck. And I actually do not know how long it's been here. I can't smell anything, but I gotta admit I'm a little bit yeah, it must probably have flown in here and then got stuck trying probably to get away as Silke was trying to catch it, and then it couldn't get out. Ooh, yeah, this is probably gonna be very gross. Let's see. Huh, what a very strange. There's barely any decomposition at all. It got its wing caught here under the berry picker, which of course now needs a little bit more cleaning than initially expected. Maybe it was looking for insects that were getting caught in the window. I figured I don't actually know the name of this one. It looks really cool though. Not sure if it's a member of the sparrow family. That's what it looked like from the backside here when I first saw it, but then it has this nice orangey mane. Yeah, this can get a better focus. Oh, what a pretty little bird. I usually try to encourage my cat to kill only rodents, but you know, since birds can be a little bit more challenging, and she's very proficient at getting birds, yeah, you know, you can't really take the entertainment away from her. But I'm lucky to have caught it now. I smell no, it doesn't look rotten, it doesn't look like there's any insects that are roaming around in the feathers or anything like that. Doesn't smell at all. So I must have been very lucky in catching it at the right time. Poor buddy. Oh well. Such is life, I guess. Bye bye.